Hey there, thoughtful presence. Today, we're going to dive into the exciting world of online dating. With so many people turning to the internet to find love and companionship, it's important to navigate the digital dating landscape with caution and confidence. In this video, we'll explore the do's and don'ts of online dating so you can make the most out of your online dating experience. Let's get started.
You can't go back, that ass back. You can't go back, that ass so.
Have you ever tried online dating? It's a convenient and popular way to meet new people, but it can also be overwhelming and confusing if you don't know the ropes. Well, worry no more, because today we're going to share with you the essential do's and don'ts of online dating. These tips will help you navigate the digital world of romance and increase your chances of finding a meaningful connection. So let's jump right in. The first do of online dating is to choose the right dating platform. There are numerous dating websites and apps out there, each catering to different demographics and preferences. Take some time to research and find the platform that aligns with your dating goals and values. Whether you're looking for a casual fling or a long-term relationship, selecting the right platform will increase your chances of finding like-minded individuals. Moving on to the first don't of online dating, don't share too much personal information up front. While it's important to be open and honest, it's also crucial to protect your privacy and safety. Avoid sharing your full name, address, phone number, or financial information with someone you just met online. Take your time to build trust and get to know the person before divulging sensitive information. Now, let's talk about another important do, creating an engaging and authentic profile. Your profile is your digital introduction, so make it count. Use high-quality photos that showcase your personality and interests. Write a bio that reflects your genuine self and highlights what you're looking for in a potential partner. The key here is to be authentic and attract people who are genuinely interested in getting to know the real you. Moving on to our next don't be afraid to initiate conversations. Online dating is a two-way street, and it's not just up to one person to carry the conversation. If you come across someone you're interested in, take the initiative and send them a thoughtful message. Be creative, ask questions, and show genuine interest in getting to know them better. Remember, confidence is key. Now, let's talk about a crucial do, being mindful of red flags. Online dating opens up a world of possibilities, but it's important to be vigilant and trust your instincts. If something feels off or too good to be true, it probably is. Look out for inconsistencies in their stories, aggressive behavior, or any signs of manipulation. Your safety and well-being should always be a top priority. Moving on to another important don't rely solely on online communication. While online messaging and video chats can be a great way to get to know someone, it's essential to take the next step and meet in person. Face-to-face interactions provide a more accurate representation of a person's character and compatibility. So once you feel comfortable, suggest meeting up for a coffee or a casual outing to see if the connection translates offline. Now, let's talk about the importance of practicing patience and having realistic expectations. Online dating can be a process of trial and error, and it might take time to find the right person. Don't get discouraged if you don't immediately find your perfect match. Enjoy the journey, meet new people, and remember that building a genuine connection takes time. Stay open-minded and allow for the possibility of unexpected connections to blossom. Moving on to another crucial don't ghost or ghost others. Ghosting refers to abruptly cutting off communication with someone without any explanation or closure. It's important to treat others with respect and kindness, even if you decide that you're not interested. If you're no longer interested in pursuing a connection, it's better to be honest and communicate your feelings politely. Remember, empathy and good communication go a long way. Trusting your intuition is another important do when it comes to online dating. If something feels off or you have a gut feeling about someone, don't ignore it. Your intuition is a powerful tool that can help protect you from potentially harmful or toxic situations. Listen to your inner voice and make choices that align with your values and instincts. Finally, don't settle for less than you deserve. Online dating can sometimes make us feel like we have to settle for the first person who shows interest. But remember, you deserve someone who values and respects you. Don't compromise on your core values or settle for a relationship that doesn't fulfill you. Stay true to yourself and trust that the right person will come along. And there you have it, the essential do's and don'ts of online dating. Remember, online dating can be a fun and exciting way to meet new people, but it's important to approach it with caution and confidence. Keep these tips in mind, trust your instincts, and enjoy the journey of finding meaningful connections in the digital world. With that said, thank you for watching, and until next time, happy swiping, and best of luck in your online dating adventures. Take care.